Happy New Year! It's 2026, finally. Don't know about you, but 2025 was a very funny year, and a lot of people struggled through it, and the kind of tail end of that energy still seems to be going on. So we're saying goodbye to 2025 and hello to 2026. Welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, I'm Eloise Ansell. I'm an intuitive healer based in the UK. Hi. So every year inside my Dream Life membership, in all its capacities and all its different names, we have done a kind of end of year kind of recap session, and everyone always loves it. And at the end of 2024, I did it, and everyone enjoyed it so much that I thought, do you know what? We'll kick 2025 off by doing it all together. And at the end of the session, everyone was like, please do it again, please do it again, please do it again. So here we are. We're going to do Think Big 2026. Whee! So this is going to be a 90-minute, 2 hour long. Well, it depends how many people turn up, depends how many people show up, and how much conversation we have. But we're going to spend some time together reflecting on 2025. What do we learn from it? What energies have we and capacities have we picked up along the way that we haven't acknowledged? It's going to be a bit woo woo and energetic this session. But we're also going to look at 2026 as well. We're going to sprinkle a little magic into the year and really embrace the energy of it so that it can be a year where we're energetically kind of carving our path of how we want things to be. So if it's anything like last year's session, it's going to be special. So I'm excited for this. Now, weirdly, I started looking at my diary and picking a date for the session, and I picked the 21st of January. And it wasn't until I looked at last year's session that I realised I put it on the 21st of January last year. How does that happen? So there's obviously something about this date. I purposely picked it last time, and then this time I just accidentally picked the same one. So it may annually be on the 21st if we can accommodate that. But we're going to say goodbye to 2025 together. We're going to welcome 2026 in. We're going to reflect on the past. We're going to heal 2025 as well. Because, as I said, it's been a bit of a tough year for some of you. And we're really going to embrace 2026. Now, if you know me, you know I don't like New Year's resolutions, but it is a natural time to reflect and kind of set out what you want to do. If you want to set New Year's resolutions, go for it. For me personally, I normally do them in March at the spring equinox, but we'll get to that another day. But we are like energetically gonna kind of set out our path for what we want this year. We might do some reflecting on what we want to create in 2026, but we're not going to like sit down and vision board and do all of that. This is going to be a little bit more energetic. It's going to be a little bit more woo woo. So we are going to do some healing. We're going to heal the past. We're going to heal our energy, like integrating with the new year so that we can start off on a good foot. So it's going to be a really fun session. If it's anything like last year's, it's going to be amazing. Now, it's better to join live session. So if you can come along live, please do, because the interaction, you get to ask questions, you get to participate, and I'm only going to be sharing this with the people that attended. So this isn't going anywhere. It's a kind of like if you come and join the bubble, it's only the people inside the bubble that see it. But my hope is that most of you will be able to join live. I know it's always a struggle for some of you, or you're in different time zones, but the replay will be available for a week only. So I really want to encourage you to come and join in live. If you can't, it gives you a few days to schedule in some time to do the exercise yourself, and you'll still get some awarenesses from everyone else joining in as well. So, because this is very related to Dream Life, and I normally do this inside my membership, this is free for anyone inside Dream Life. So, if you've been on the fence about joining, you might want to come and sign up for Dream Life for the month because you're going to get the webinar free. So if you want to pay a couple of extra pounds and join the webinar and join the membership, or you can just pay for the webinar. So you've got two options if you want to come and hang out with the lovely ladies inside Dream Life. Dream Life is ladies only. We're mainly over 40. We talk about menopause a lot, so you know, guys, you might not enjoy that, or obviously I don't exclude anyone, but that is the kind of energy of it. But we're a lovely group of women who are really tapping into what we want in life. And we can't ask for things unless we know what we want. So if you want to come hang out in Dream Life, because there's a lot of exciting stuff coming up inside the Dream Life membership. I might talk about that in another video soon. It's a really good time to join if you want to come and play, or just test the water for a month, because you'll get this webinar free. So it's a super special session, and I'm excited to go through this with a lot of the people that joined in last year and maybe some new people. So if you want to set 2026 off in a beautiful way and have, you know, a little sprinkle of magic on 2026 to kick things off, come and join me for Think Big 2026, and I will see you on the 21st of January. All the details will be below. You can sign up or sign up for Dream Life if you want to do that instead, and come join us and hang out and have some fun for a few hours. Anyway, any questions, pop them below, and I hope to see you for some magic on the 21st of January. Take care. Bye.